Folks, we made it back, and we made it back alive. I would like to thank the city of Tampa Bay, and most definitely my family members down there who make my stay more than comfortable and even a little entertaining. Now, not everything was absolutely perfect down there though. As I previously stated, I had a couple of issues with my electric skateboard, and today, if you stick with me, we're going to try to fix those issues. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Alright, here's the summary so we can get to work. Purchased the board in April of last year. 6-month warranty has expired. Michigan streets are so bad that I waited just so I could take this down to Florida. Skateboard has a total of 11 miles on it and does work, but only works for 1 mile at a time before needing a full charge. At $850, that's a no-no. I contact the company. They diagnose it as a bad battery, and after a little bit of haggling, said battery was sent within 2 days. So thank you, Alouette. Now let's get to work.